Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we'll learn how to download and install the latest version of Python 3.12 on Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe the channel, like the video. Open your favorite browser and type here Python. Open the first website, the official website of Python. Click on that. So from here, click on downloads. So from here, you have to download Python 3.12.0. So click on that. So it will start downloading. So for the time saving purpose, I already download that. So I'll just cancel that and I'll go to download folder. So from here, I'll just start the setup. Click on that. So we have two options here. The first one, it will install on the for the current user. So I'll go with customize and use admin privileges and add exit file and customize. Yes, okay, all, and go to next. So from here, install user. Make sure to mark this, so it will give us a path. Download debugging tools and download. So I'll do it later on. So click on install. So this is our path where the Python version, new version will be installed. So click on install. So do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. It will take a little time according to your machine. So setup was successful. So if you want to check the online tutorials, you can find from here. Click on that, and if you want all the documentation process, want to view that, you can from here. Click on close, and from here click on search bar, type your command prompt, cmd, and type your Python, and click py. So it's showing us the latest version of Python we have just installed, Python 3.12.0. So let's try our first program, Python, sorry, print hello world. Click on this, so you can see our first program, hello world, is there. So you can, but so we also have the Python. So we have installed the Python in our system. Good luck, guys. If you have any curious question, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, like the video. So you can also find other videos of how to install Eclipse, how to install PyCharm, Anaconda on Windows from the channel.